Hi guys! Today I'm super excited to be sharing my mini office tour. When my company moved into a new headquarters building, I really lucked out and got a place on the executive floor, which gave me a major workspace upgrade. Before, I had a small windowless office, which kind of made me feel boxed in. Even though it was still cute and cozy, with this new office I have a much bigger room, patio area, and even a view. Having a creative job, I think a lot of my inspiration comes from my work environment. And as you guys know, I love interior design, so it's no surprise I had to decorate my office and make it a bright spot to be in. My intention was to create a happy space that was warm and inviting, making people want to stop by and say hi. So I worked in the special event industry where I helped manage social media marketing and digital design for a regional brand. I was very much so a behind the scenes kind of person, but I saw the final product of some of the most amazing event setups and pictures. And this is a little bit before. I moved some stuff around, but it's not what I wanted it to look like. I love mixing my personal touches to make a corporate office feel like a home away from home. So I decorated this place with a lot of color. From the pastel wall art to the pink couch, there's a lot of bright accents. I brought the pink suede armchair from my apartment. Someone actually threw it out, but I wanted to save it, so I cleaned it up and brought it here. It's super comfy and kind of a fabulous statement piece. My favorite item in my office is a block party painting. It set the mood and tone for my space. Next to that, I have my white couch directly in front of the large windows. As you make your way around my office, you'll notice the cube shelf organizer. I incorporated a lot of different textures and patterns to make it more visually aesthetic. Next to my shelf area, I have my work desk set up. This is where I spend the majority of my time. And that's pretty much an overview of my corporate office tour. I loved making it colorful and fun because not all desk jobs have to be boring. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.